A lot of times it seems like you ain't gonna make it where you wanna be in life. But yo, if you got a plan, believe me, you gonna get there. You gonna get everything you ever wanted, baby. That's my word. Trust.
Yeah, fam, one of the most underrated Nas tracks of all times. I must have bumped the Lost tapes a million times, man. It's just like, no matter what's happening, just show some perseverance, hang in there. The bad times will eventually end, bro. And, you know what I mean? You can keep climbing and keep striving.
Be clever. Realize today's the first day that begins forever. Everything will eventually come to an end, so try to save it a moment, cause time flies, don't it? The beauty of life, you gotta make it last for the better, cause nothing lasts forever, you know? Now everything eventually comes to an end, so try to save it a moment, cause time flies, don't it? The beauty of life, you gotta make it last for the better, cause nothing lasts forever.